So the way the application performs here is in a certain way. And if you want to go around and change the performance preferences of the application, then you can easily do that by going around onto the gear icon right here. So once you go around over here, you can see that performance is an option, and you can see that you can utilize graphics processor if you have it. So in my case, I got a GTX 970, and it does improve out the speed of my editing if I were to use it. But you can go around and turn it off as well, and graphic acceleration will be turned off. But if you have a sporting graphics card, it is actually recommended that you use it. So you can also force it to use the GPU by going on to custom and use GPU for image processing, for open and save right here, and so forth. So over here you can see that the maximum camera raw cache is 5 GB right here, and this is the location as you can see right here. You can also change around the temporary memory location right here onto, let's say for example, the TT drive right here. So I'm going to go to L drive, and then let's say for example create my own cache right here. So I'm just going to go around onto folder, onto temp right here, just like this, and then this is what I have. So let's just go around onto say and temp files right here, because I already have a temp folder. So let me just go around and rename it to temp and select this out right here. So once I do that, the location is selected, and let's say I'm going to go around and select 8 GB for the cache right here. So once I do that, all of the temporary files will be saved out there. I can also purge the cache. That means I can delete out the cache files if I want to. And this is how I can change how the application performs. And if I were to press OK, the performance settings will be applied. So that is how you can change around the performance preferences inside of Adobe Camera RAW. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.